Yeah, boy. All right, we're doing a little printing on the some of the landing gear stuff for the what's that thing called? MantaRay. That's it. Running it on Cura. That's the main landing gear. TPU. And there's a MantaRay. Yeah. So hold on a second. Let's see what we got. All right. All right. Let's see here. We got propellers and 240 amp speed controllers. Sweet. Made in China. Like everything else, made in China. There we go. Let me open up one of these bad boys. Hopefully this stuff will work. This is not the exact one that David suggested getting. Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. Very nice. XT60. Yep. And bullet connectors on this end. So everything will be all righty-tighty. We're just plugging it into the motor. Sweet. Don't have to do any soldering. That's nice. And we got the nose steering, top and bottom printed. And this is the bottom plate that was printed out of PLA that didn't quite work too well because you can't bend these up to get your landing gear wire up underneath the these little tabs, which is an ingenious little idea. I gotta say, David, you're a genius. Anybody ever tell you that? So yeah, these little tabs right here, they lift up and your landing gear slip underneath all three of those. Let me get rid of this thing. How do I move this darn thing? There we go. Yeah, your landing gear fit underneath all three of these little loops. And after layer 11, this goes really, really fast. Okay, it's for TPU, I was printing it, and it was like a 2-hour and 30-minute print, but you're printing TPU very slow anyway. But after layer 11, this starts happening. The actual loops start happening. So let's go downstairs and see what's going on. Oh, wow. That went real fast. That went way faster than I thought. So there we are. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Cool daddy-o. There we, oh wow. I've never printed TPU before. This is on the Creality Ender One Thing Pro. I forgot what the heck this thing's called. Something Pro. I remember that. Anyway, that's a sample roll of TPU that I got from where did I get it from? Polymaker. There we go. I got a whole sample box of stuff right here. So, first time I ever tried this. What's this cool? I'll be right back. Okay, we're back upstairs. And I do have just a little bit of stringing going on. My temperatures could probably be adjusted a little bit. But all in all, for my very first TPU print, there we go. Oh yeah. That pops up. You see, and you're able to get to the, then this goes down, and then you have your bottom plate right here. Well, actually, this is your bottom plate. And then this little guy will bolt onto there. And, hold on a second, let me get my things together here. So my other question is why we didn't make the octagon line up with the octagon? David, can you answer that for me? I'm sure there's a reason for it. So, all right, let's get this thing cracking. And I could probably have this airplane flying by the weekend. Oh, I got to buy some wire. I didn't do that yet. Some spring steel wire for the landing gear. All right, I'll get that. All right. We'll be back on the next one, guys. So don't go away, okay? Well, I mean, you can go away, but yeah, we'll be right back. Okay. See ya. Okay, it's all together, and I plugged that servo in for the steering into channel 5, and it's already set up. If I remember the geometry right, that should be fine. So left is actually right, but because of how the wire goes, when I go this way to go right, which is actually left, on the servo, it's actually going to move the wheel to the right. So we're good on that. Yeah, we are... that motor don't sound right. I might end up changing that out. So yeah, we got two 5-inch propellers. 6-inch will not work on this airplane. It's just too. It won't fit between the vertical stabilizers. So I just got to pack everything away and get it tidied up, and we are rocking and rolling. I'm happy. Thanks, David. I sure hope this one flies as good as yours does. So we'll be out there, and being that it's all black on top with a little bit of color on the verticals, and it's white on the bottom on the KF foil on the bottom, I should have enough, what do you call it, difference to be able to tell orientation. All right, the next one should be, let me see, tomorrow's Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to be out doing a little bit of that tomorrow. So that won't happen tomorrow. It's going to be windy tomorrow anyway. But that should have no problem in the wind. All right, we'll get out there. We'll make it happen. Definitely by Sunday. All right, I'll be right back. Stay tuned and like and subscribe. You know, all that jazz. Later.